Quick, would you rather have a $10,000 tax deduction or a $10,000 tax credit? Not sure what the difference is? Let me explain. You can think of a tax deduction like a coupon and a tax credit like a gift card. If you're out shopping for groceries, would you rather have a coupon for 30% off $10 worth of blueberries or a gift card for $10? Obviously, the gift card. A tax credit works in a similar way. Say you're married, filing jointly, make about $500,000 a year, and your federal tax bill is $100,000. What is a $10,000 tax credit worth to you in actual dollars in your pocket? It's worth $10,000. A tax credit directly offsets dollar for dollar how much you owe in taxes. So in this hypothetical example, you no longer owe $100,000, you owe $90,000 to the federal government. Now, let's compare that with a tax deduction. Our 30% off $10 worth of blueberries. Here in Hawaii, that's probably like 5-6 blueberries. Like that coupon that gives you the percentage off at the store, a tax deduction reduces your taxable income and thereby your tax bill by a percentage. But it doesn't reduce your tax bill dollar for dollar. So a $10,000 tax deduction is worth less than a $10,000 tax credit. But how much less? That depends on your marginal tax bracket, which is your top tax rate. In the US, income taxes are progressive, which means we don't pay the same percentage of tax on each dollar of income. If that sounds complicated, don't worry. Just know that for the purposes of this example, if you make about $500,000 and file jointly, you'd likely be well into the 32% marginal tax bracket. In other words, for the income that falls into this bracket, you keep 68 cents and the government gets 32 cents. A tax deduction of $10,000 in this case would mean a reduction in your bill of $3,200. The more you make, the more valuable a tax deduction is, but in most common situations, a tax credit is going to be worth more than a deduction of an equal amount. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you remember nothing else, just remember, a credit is better than a coupon, and blueberries are better when they're free? Free? Free!